Can't start your game because of the OpenAL32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and let's solve this library conflict so you can get back to what matters. This DLL file is the main library for the Open Audio Library, a cross-platform API for 3D positional audio. It allows games to render complex sound environments where audio sources change based on the player's location and movement in the world. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The OpenAL32.dll is typically part of a game's graphics stack. Install the latest Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime using the official web installer to restore legacy D3DX, Xinput, or Xaudio components. Then update your GPU drivers if the file is OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA related. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the OpenAL32 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install the OpenAL32.dll into directories where it does not natively belong. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on the OpenAL32. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped your Creative Labs OpenAL workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.